Hey guys, Mr. Lentz here. Just want to go over what the expectations are for this week. We are going to knock down the number of topics for Alex from last week. I had you to 15. We were just kind of catch up a little bit with being off or not having to do it for a couple weeks. So this week we'll bump it back down to 12. Um, please make sure that you are submitting your work and you're doing the right Alex. I know a lot of you. Your old teacher had you in a different liberal arts math on Alex. Make sure you're using the one that says liberal arts math, okay? So yeah, we're gonna do 12 topics. You're gonna have your work to submit, and then the time limit, 2 hours. If you complete all 12 topics, then I'll give you the points for the 2 hours, whether you got 2 hours in or not, okay? So I know some of you have been reaching out for help, and we've been kind of doing problems together, so that's great. I appreciate that. If you need help, please reach out. Don't be afraid. You can send me screenshots. We can talk like that. We can try and get a Teams meeting set up. Any of that, okay? But please let me know if you need help. All right. But you guys have a good week, and I will talk to you soon.